Minnesota travel guy, I'm going to let the pictures speak for themselves. Minnesota travel wife put together a little cooking video, and that is going to be the video. So enjoy Minnesota travel wife's Susie's cake, and I'm telling you, it may have turned out a little crumbled at the end. Here's Winnie the travel dog. But that cake is awesome. You should try it at home.
Hi, I'm Susie, also known as Minnesota Travel Wife, and I have yet to post any videos on here, so I thought I would share one of my favorite cake recipes and probably the easiest cake ever, and it's very delicious. 1 box of Betty Crocker Super Moist the Butter Pecan Cake Mix. 1 container of the coconut pecan. 3 eggs. I have 3/4 of a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, and to prepare my pan with some spray pan and some sugar. This is just plain white sugar. And I just spread it around. So that is the prepared pan. Let's put that open. Go right in the cake, along with the water, 3/4 of a cup, 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, mix that up. Be right back. Together, and I'm going to finish up here. So the reason after I spray my pan is that after it bakes, it just makes a little bit of a crunchy. I'm done preparing it before the oven is even up to temp. So it's at 3 in, and we're gonna bake that for about 45 to 60 minutes. It really depends kind of on your oven. Obviously ovens vary. Let's see if I can, oh, sorry. So ovens vary obviously in temperature. So we have a gas range, so it really cooks very evenly and very efficiently. So ours is pretty well done at 45 to 50 minutes. 45 minutes. Ooh, looks delicious. I'm just gonna test it with my toothpick, and my toothpick comes out clean. So now I'm going to set a 10-minute timer, and then I am going to flip it out onto a plate. 10 minutes, because then it doesn't want to come out. So I am going to try. Whoops. Try to flip this over. I do it all the time. I don't know what's wrong here. Oh, there we go. Nope. Okay, so I used my heavier bundt pan, so I probably should have let it cool a little longer. I have 2 different gauges of bundt pans, and this is a much heavier one, so it holds heat longer. So I should have used my lighter one or let this one cool longer. So this is how mine turned out. It's not as pretty. Some of it stuck in the pan. wasn't quite cool enough. So I should have let, like I said, should have let this one cool a little bit longer.